I should have told this story earlier, but life happened. My twin was buried just a day before my passing out parade. That loss was heavy, but today I choose to share my journey because in the midst of it all, purpose found me. Pharmacy school was not a smooth ride. Life, ASU strike, challenges made sure of that. But destiny had its script, all the way from the east to the heart of Jos, coming to pursue a dream that seemed uncertain at times. And when the NYSC call-up letter came out, I was posted to Katsina, a state that I've never been to before. I saw it as an opportunity to grow, impact, and explore. And trust me, Katsina did not disappoint. Serving as a camp pharmacist during my NYSC was an experience on its own. We attended to core members, some genuinely sick, and some, let's just say, they deserve an award for acting. For the real ones, there were cases of malaria, stress-related headache, dehydration, allergic conditions due to the weather, and even injuries from drill. Provided medications, counseling, and sometimes just reassurance that they will be fine. But for the smart ones, some walked in looking critically ill, but the moment they got an exemption from parade, they suddenly become strong again. One even claimed he had a mysterious fever, but kept sneaking off to eat suya at Mami Market. It was all part of the fun, but at the end of the day, our job was to ensure that genuine cases were met properly while spotting actors before they won an award in camp. Right from the very start, I knew I was here for something greater, so I joined the Sustainable Development Goals movement, SDGs, and soon enough we started executing life-changing projects. One of the most outstanding, a massive medical outreach at Yaraka Village, Batagarawa local government area. We provided free medical consultation, distributed medications, conducted tests for hepatitis B and C, blood pressure, and HIV screening, along with health talks, all in collaboration with the Katsina State Ministry of Health, World Health Organization, and Katsina State Agency for Control of AIDS. What made it even more special, it aligned with SDG Goal 3, a core value I live by: good health and well-being. Making all this happen wasn't easy. Sponsorship almost non-existent, but with a solid strategy and a business mindset, we were able to thrive. I personally sponsored some part of the project against the rule, but necessary for impact. Shout out to the SDG President Salihu and Khalifa, who went all out, rain or shine, to make things happen. Education wasn't left out. We organized a quiz and spelling bee competition with 15 schools. A tough task, but we made it work. Thanks to the Federal College of Education, Katsina, for providing the venue and address system. And special thanks to Dr. Mustafa, who not only sponsored the feeding of the participants, teachers, and core members, but also supported our tree planting projects across 3 schools. Yes, we tackled environmental issues too. It wasn't just about tree planting, but about planting awareness. We educated every student on the dangers of global warming, impact of deforestation, and why every tree counts in preserving our planet. Beyond that, our team, the SDGs, also educated youths, the secondary schools around, about the dangers of drug abuse. One of the most impactful moments of my service here was a powerful seminar organized by myself, Salihu, and Khalifa, with the full sponsorship of Dr. Mustafa. It wasn't just a seminar, it was a movement. Seeing their zeal, the passion, and willingness to learn made every effort worth it. The impact was massive. The participants all left the hall willing to take action in their own communities. Beyond NYSC, I ventured into media. I joined the communication team at the cathedral, witnessed the first priestly ordination by the newly ordained Bishop of Katsina, handled live recordings during Mass. Creativity met impact, and it was beautiful. Then came Youth Week, a vibrant experience where I served as the publicity officer in the planning committee. It wasn't just fun, it was full of learning. Cooking competitions, seminars, football, volleyball, soap making, tree planting, and the grand finale, the pageantry show. My PPA at General Ahmadi Rimi Orthopaedic Hospital was a transformative experience. As a pharmacist, I encountered diverse cases including gunshot emergencies. Learning from the HOD and senior colleagues deepened my passion for healthcare. Another experience experience during my NYSC journey was that Khalifa and I were sent by Agile to survey 12 government schools in Danja. Across the local government, schools were being renovated and reconstructed with huge sums allocated. We ensured that every grant was properly used, and though the payment took its sweet time, every challenge taught us so much about transparency and accountability. Why am I sharing this? Because your NYSC year is what you make of it. I chose impact and you can too. If you are still in school, start something, learn a skill, build something for yourself. That way, even with the small NYSC stipend, you can enjoy your service here and create change. Do write to me the comments if this inspired you. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content. Thank you and see you on the next one.